Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be learning about filters. So I want you to go onto Google and to save a image of some kind of a scene. This is one that I took when we were in St. Ives. And I want you to save that in your document and then open that. So this is mine and I want to add a filter onto it. So I'm going to click on here and I'm going to pick one. I am going to pick black and white. So I'm going to make this black and white and I can change around with how it looks here, picking up the different colours. Now you'll notice that it's put a layer on top of my background and it is white. Now what's really awesome about this is that it basically works by colouring it in. So let's say I want these people to be in colour. So I'm going to go Windows or Tools, Navigator. This is going to allow me to zoom in. And I'm just going to go into that person. Then I'm going to go on the paintbrush. I'm going to swap these so it's black. And I'm just going to make it a bit bigger. Let's make it a bit easier for myself. I'm just going to paint over this person. And as you can see, they are going in to colour. Now I'm being a bit messy because I just want to show you the video. You can do a little bit more. You can even use the selection tool or magic wand tool that we did in the last lessons. So there we go. I'm just going to colour them in and have them in colour. Again, like I said, I'm being a bit messy. You can be a little bit better than me. Now if I zoom out, you can see them in colour. And if you look at this layer, you can see two little black lines. Now if I wanted them to go back into black and white, I would just swap that again so it's white, make that bigger, and then I would just go over. Okay, I would like you to create your own black and white image with some colour bits. It's up to you how you want to do it. Then, using the skills from last lesson, I would like you to put something up in the sky. It could be a monkey. It could be an astronaut. It's completely up to you.